For centuries, humanity has dreamed of reaching the stars. But what if we went further? Not just beyond planets or solar systems, but into an entirely new galaxy. A place with alien suns, strange worlds, and mysteries untouched for billions of years. What would happen if humans colonized a new galaxy? Leaving the Milky Way would be the greatest migration in human history. A new galaxy could be millions of light years away. Massive generation ships, cryogenic sleep, or even faster-than-light technology might be needed to get us there. It wouldn't be a journey of years or centuries, but of civilizations. When we finally arrive, the first human colonies would face unimaginable challenges. Alien stars might burn hotter or colder than our own sun. Planets could have heavier gravity, toxic atmospheres, or moons with hidden oceans. To survive, humanity would need to adapt, genetically, technologically, or both. Over time, humans might split into entirely new cultures. A colony orbiting a red dwarf star might live in eternal twilight, while another near a blue giant star could see skies unlike anything Earth has ever known. Our descendants could evolve into beings that hardly resemble us, shaped by their alien homes. But what if we weren't alone? A new galaxy could already hold intelligent life. Would we form alliances and share knowledge, or clash in wars over territory and resources? Colonizing a galaxy might mean rewriting the rules of diplomacy, ethics, and survival itself. Such vast distances also carry risks. Communication with Earth would be impossible across millions of light years. Colonies might drift into isolation, losing contact for thousands of years. Humanity could fracture into countless independent civilizations, some thriving, some collapsing, each telling different versions of our story. Yet, colonizing a galaxy would also mean creating something greater than Earth ever dreamed. Our art, science, and culture would spread across billions of stars. Humanity would no longer be defined by one fragile planet, but by entire galaxies glowing with our presence. If humans colonized a new galaxy, it wouldn't just be a new chapter. It would be a new book in the story of existence. The question is not if we could reach the stars, but what we would become once we did.